Next. Netflix is getting backlash because Emma Thompson is going to wear a fat suit for her role as Miss Trunchbull in the upcoming movie. So you have some controversy. The original Matilda movie is like a classic.
Okay, I haven't seen it.
You don't see these Matilda movies?
No, I know who you're talking about, but I haven't seen it.
I haven't seen them either.
Well, it's like, I don't know, when you're a
Like
kid.
a feel good?
No.
They're not?
No, it's like a...
She's an orphan, right?
It's kind of dark, actually.
Is it?
For a kid's movie.
I had no idea.
It's kind of dark for a kid's movie. The original one.
Pull up the IMDb.
You can pull up an IMDb if you like. But they're going to do a remake, I guess. And Emma Thompson, a world famous actress here, is going to... That's who she's going to be. That's who in the original movie was...
Right.
The mean lady?
Miss Turnbull, who runs the school. Who runs the school.
And she's strict with it?
Oh, what do you think, Mo? Take a look. What you think's gonna happen here? I'll tell you
She's
what.
the best
And the
caretaker.
girl, Matilda girl is so nice,
So adorable.
and everybody's so mean. Anyway, no spoilers here, but people are pissed on social media.
That's what she looks like, the new...
I suppose these are the images of what the new one would look like. And people are upset on social media. And if Will can just go back, I can read for you some of the criticisms of the idea of anybody wearing a fat suit anymore. Scroll down so we have the actual tweets here. It has been really disappointing to see Emma Thompson put on a fat suit for this role. I've always loved her work, but this is just so gross. We're going to have more. Keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. Oh, well, there was like a whole list. What's wrong with your browser here?
Okay, let me...
What's wrong with your
do
browser?
something
Oh, God. What are we doing here? What kind of show is this? There we go. Yeah, and I want to see the actual beautiful. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to break it down for people what's going on in the world.
Okay.
Here's another one. I can't believe someone would agree to put a thin person into a costume for Matilda the musical. The original was already fat-phobic enough, but now they put Emma Thompson in a fat suit. Keep going, Will. Stop this. Another actor in a fat suit coming to a movie near you. There are fat people who can act. Cast them if the role is for a fat character. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Me, when someone says it's completely fine for an actor to wear a fat suit, when the character's shape has no direct link to the story being told. Not today. And then we have the alternative, which is, oh, do shut up. It's perfectly fine and funny for male actors to wear fat suits, like Chris Hemsworth as Fat Thor, Eddie Murphy in The Nutty Professor, or Norbit. But as soon as a female actress puts on a fat suit, it's problematic and dehumanizing. Get out! So that sums up the conversation on Twitter. It seemed like there was I don't know what the ratio was of criticism versus, oh, shut up. Mm-hmm. But I didn't know that, I find these things out. Like, first of all, I didn't know there was a Matilda reboot going on.
Which is cool.
Secondly, I suppose the fatness of Miss Turnbull, I guess, is open to interpret. Like, I don't know, was this a book before? But, like, they're saying, hey, it's not imperative that the mean Turnbull has to be fat. Like, or if you want him to be fat, then it should be a fat actress, no fat suit. So it's a no fat suit thing. And then I hadn't given it much thought, the no fat suit, because I feel like I don't really see them that much. I'm trying to remember the other one. You had the fat suit in...
Christian Bale in Hustler?
Well, you had fat suits, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've had fat suits.
Batman. Penguin.
You've had fat
right,
suits.
yeah.
When you say you've had fat suits, would you say...
Yeah, we have. Yes, it was. Yeah.
What about the guy, Mike Myers, Austin Powers?
Austin
Well, there
Powers,
must have been fat suits over there.
Mm-hmm. However, we've just named guys right now.
But you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Is there no female fat suit that's ever been attempted?
I'm sure there is. It's not coming to mind. Or maybe there isn't. I don't know.
So, fat suit, or is it fine or not fine?
I think it's fine. Like, their job is to act. Like, to pretend as if they are fat. And if they're really good at it, then entertain me and do the thing. Also, I think it's fine that she's fat, like as far as her character, because this is a remake. The whole point of a remake is to have the nostalgic feeling again. And if you're having the nostalgic feeling again, you want it to be as close as the original. I'm a little heated about this one.
I agree with Mo.
Here we go.
I
Yes.
think a fat suit is considered prosthetics that you would put in potentially like this character. Maybe she's just the person to play this part. And if they need to do some sort of prosthetics, I don't really see a problem with it. But
I mean, they show up to the audition. She just knocks out of the park. They're like, that's Turnbull right
That's her,
there.
yeah.
They're like, you nailed it right there. We're going to take you regardless. But then how important is it that that character is fat in the first place? Why can't she play it her regular self? That's the only thing I'm wondering.
Maybe it's not important, but again, as far as the way I see remakes is that you gotta
match what the original was.
not fully perfectly, but give me the nostalgic feeling, which is why I'm watching it again.
is she that fat in this photo?
Well, she had to wear a suit to get to that level for her. So, like, there's a suit under there.
Yeah.